Okay, so this is my second Queen of Hearts TikTok vlog. So last time I said I was going to start putting the bony channels on the stays mock-up. I did start that. It's just, it was hard and I didn't have any brain power. So I made a sleeve for my chemise. So we have that. And the seams are flat felled. No, just felled down. Focus, please. Okay, good. So I'm going to make the other sleeve now.
Stitching boning channels.
And we have our first spool of thread that has been emptied. I'm sure there will be many more to go. Let's keep a count of these. I think that might be fun. Okay, so I finished the 2 sleeves of the chemise, and now I'm going to... I took the body part, like the gores, and I cut them in half on ways like this, and I'm about to sew them on to the body piece. Yes. Okay, so I boned most of the stays pieces. However, I ran out of boning, so I'm gonna have to do something else while I wait for more boning to come in. So I think I'm gonna go work on the panniers.
Searching the bone casing for the panniers.
I think I've been filming this second vlog so long that my hair is a different color, so. Okay, so what I've accomplished in the past couple of days is I serged the sides of the bone casing for the panniers, and I also sewed up the side seams of the panniers, but I'm going to put that to the side because I got a package. It's going to be the bone casing. I don't want to show you the front because it's got someone's address on it, but there. So now I can finish the stays mock-up, which is like priority number 1 right now, because I can't finish the chemise without the stays mock-up. So because I have to get the neckline done. So we're gonna work on the stays mock-up now that I have the bones, and put this to the side. I know it seems like I have a lot of stuff going on right now. It's just because of the nature of how this works.